Good morning, everyone. This is it, our last week of school. So, just a reminder, your final is due today. Please make sure that it is completed by midnight because I do need to start finalizing grades. I will need to keep you guys updated on the extra credit Zooms because for sure I will not be able to do Wednesday 3 o'clock. So I might have to add one for tomorrow. So I'm gonna be sharing all the links of all the different extra credit notebook Zooms that I'm gonna have. So please stay updated for that. Remember, if you're satisfied with your grade after the final, then you don't have to show me, you don't have to log on to the extra credit Zoom. So you'll be fine. Thank you guys for the amazing, memorable year. There will never be a year like this one. So I do miss all of you. I know for the seniors, I might not get to see you guys next year, but just know that you guys will always be remembered and that I wish you guys the best in college. So you guys have been through a lot. So you can do it. You can do anything. So take care. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful summer. For my juniors, make sure you read, make sure you stay active, you exercise, and I will see you guys next year. Enjoy your summer. Have a wonderful day.